When I came to Kingston, I consider myself a bad man. That means I can't fight. So I say I want to be a boxer. And I found a gym down East Queen Street, Dragon Gym, and I become a member. August 25th, 1985, I have my first fight. And I carry my girlfriend. And I say, baby, oh, kill the boy, I now take a minute. And you know, we know it's tough. You see me still got the move? Well, let me tell you something. My coach tell me if it job, I move. Me don't know when next coach tell the man, they say, I get some lick, I get some lick, I get some lick. One time when the man beat me, I wonder if the referee will help him. Because the amount of lick when I get, one man can't do that. Me I get lick from all both. Me I get uppercut, me I get downpercut, me I get thump, me I get fist, me I get backs. And no matter what me do, me can't stop it. So me I peep through my finger and I say, I wonder if me did do him something and I remember him. You know, like when you trouble somebody mother and they catch up with you? And me I say, right, this is not going to work out. Then me I stand up, you know, so me can't go back up there now, you know. So I my girlfriend, I say, come now, you ready? Me now come out there, me.